Want to send money from the USA to someone in Ethiopia? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to do it step by step using Remitly. First, go to the Remitly website or open the Remitly app. Create an account or sign in if you already have one. Once you're logged in, select Ethiopia as the country you're sending money to. Now, enter the amount you want to send. You'll see how much the recipient will receive in Ethiopian birr, along with the exchange rate and transfer fee before you confirm the transaction. Rates and fees can change depending on the amount, payment method, and delivery option. Next, choose how you want the recipient to receive the money. Depending on their location, you can have the money sent to a bank account, mobile wallet, or available cash pickup location. Remitly currently lists options including Commercial Bank of Ethiopia, Awash Bank, Telebirr, M-Pesa, and other local providers. Now enter the recipient's information. Make sure their name and account or wallet details are correct, because incorrect information can delay the transfer. Next, choose how you'll pay for the transfer. In the United States, Remitly supports options such as bank accounts and eligible debit or credit cards, depending on the transaction. Review everything carefully. Check the amount you're sending, the exchange rate, the fee, the delivery method, and the amount the recipient will receive. If everything looks correct, confirm the transfer. After sending the money, you can track the transfer through the Remitly website or app. And that's it. You've successfully sent money from the United States to Ethiopia. Remember that fees, exchange rates, delivery times, and available receiving methods can change, so always check the final amount before confirming your transfer. If this tutorial helped you, like the video, subscribe, and check out our other money transfer tutorials.